What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel for another working mom weekend cleaning routine. Today I'm cleaning my entire house and tackling all the messes that have piled up during the week. Washing all of our bedding, vacuuming the rugs, putting everything back in its rightful place, cleaning the stovetop and microwave, and ultimately giving my house a much needed reset. So if you guys are ready for some extreme cleaning motivation, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe before you leave. I'm starting off in my kitchen because there was a ton of things that needed to get done. First, I really needed to clean off all of the stuff that was laid out on the countertops. The night before, we ended up ordering some Chinese food, so I needed to put that away. And then we also had gone food shopping, so there were some empty bags that also needed to be folded and put away. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. If you follow me on Instagram, then you would know that our fridge and freezer broke about probably 2 weeks ago, and we're waiting for some parts to come in so they can come out and fix it. But in the meantime, we purchased a mini fridge which we put in the corner, and then we also have a cooler down at the bottom for any leftover things. It has definitely been a struggle, but they are expected to come today, so I'm really hoping everything can get fixed and we can go back to normal. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. They're like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Since being quarantined, we cook all of our meals at home, so the microwave and stove has definitely gotten a lot of use. So I'm going to go in and wipe both of those down with some soap and water.
Last night, I saw your arms around somebody. I never thought it'd be so hard, yeah. Even though I'm the one that broke us apart, yeah. Now I'm seeing her, watching you. Never felt so lonely, babe. I wanna be there next to you. I keep missing us, miss your touch, missing your body, babe. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Come back to me, come back, baby. Can't hide what I feel, just want you to save me. I keep and I'm sorry. Wish I could take back what I said then. I never meant it. Now I'm seeing her, watching you. Never felt so lonely, babe. I wanna be there next to you. I keep missing us, miss your touch, missing your body, babe. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Come back to me, come back, baby. Can't hide what I feel, just want you to save me. I keep missing us, miss your touch, missing your body, babe. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Can't hide what I feel, just want you to save me. Come back to me. Come back to me. Baby, I'm sorry for all that has been. No, I can't let go. Tell me you want something more. Baby, I'm sorry for everything. Baby, I'm sorry. Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smokers in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure.
Heading on over to my family room, I'm folding up the blankets, and then I started to think, when was the last time we even washed the blankets? So I took everything out of the basket to be added into the next load. Then I'm going to come back in and literally just declutter and clean up everything, put everything back into its proper place. While I was cleaning, Riley came into the room and she was so excited because she was trying to paint her own nails. And I'm not gonna lie, the first two nails that she painted were pretty good, but she doesn't understand the concept that the nails have to dry first before you can touch them.
The way you smell like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the who goes doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Even if I told you I could never let you go, I'm not so sure you believe me. But if I mean to show you, I will never let you go.
It's so crazy how messy our dining room gets, but this is where we are at all day during the week because I like to work from the dining room table. This way Riley can go play in her playroom, or she can go and watch TV in the family room, or even just hang out in the room with me. So at the end of the week, I like to come in here and clean up everything, put everything back in its place, because typically my stuff is laying around the table, Riley's stuff is laying around on the table, and it just drives me nuts staring at it. If you are working from home, where is your makeshift office? I would love to know where you end up spending most of your day during the week.
sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up.
The last thing to do in here is to wipe the table down, and then I did also want to sweep and vacuum the rug as well.
Hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Yeah, he gets when I'm in a bad mood. Then he knows how to make it alright. Yeah, I get that you got a history, but I don't wanna think about no other than us. They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation.
Heading on upstairs, the first thing I wanted to do before I cleaned anything was to wash my sheets. Typically, our morning routine consists of Riley coming in my room, we cuddle and watch her TV shows, and then she typically eats her yogurt in bed. So of course, there are a couple of spills and everything like that. So I want to remove and get these sheets washed immediately.
All the time. No drama, no drama, yeah. No drama, yeah, yeah. No drama, yeah. No drama, yeah. He's got a bad history, but what about it? Yeah, he's got a bad history, but I want him anyway. So look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation, but what about it? Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? No drama, yeah. No drama, yeah, yeah. No drama, yeah. No drama, yeah.
Moving on to the rest of the room, I wanted to wipe down all of the surfaces because I typically put my makeup on in my bedroom, and then I had actually spilled some of my foundation on the floor, so I needed to scrub that out of the rug.
Unpredictable, so original. You were never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock them down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away your sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane.
You can clearly see all of those dark marks on the carpet, so I'm going in with my Totally Awesome spray that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I swear by this stuff. It literally has gotten out every single stain I've ever tried, so this is definitely one of the best dollar store products I've ever tried.
You're so different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous.
Riley's room, somehow she got a hold of a bag of these tiny ornaments that I had stored away. So she's been playing with them non-stop. So I'm gonna pick all of those up really quick, make the bed, and then I did also want to wash and change out her sheets.
I don't even know what I get in your head. Seeking your attention, but simple instead. Cause I hope you look my way, but no, you didn't even see me gaze yesterday. Feeling every day like I'm going insane. Cause you and I are something I wish for every day. So I hope you look my way, but yeah, you didn't even see me gaze yesterday. Cause I know I am nobody to ya, and it feels just like you want me to go now. But I hope you slow it down, hope you slow it down. Cause what I really need is your time, so will you like me like that?
Riley's imagination is so adorable. If you guys know, she is obsessed with Minnie Mouse and anything Minnie, Daisy, you name it. So every single time at night, she wants me to pretend call them, invite them over so they can have a sleepover.
Like me like that, just like that. Like me like that, like me like that. I don't even know what I get in your head. Seeking your attention, but simple instead. Cause I hope you look my way, but no, you didn't even see me gaze yesterday.
At the end of the week, I also like to refill her diaper cart as well as refill the bin that we keep downstairs.
So I hope you look my way, but